donuts. Today's my birthday. And we're doing a food challenge like the Mother's Day one. And if you are excited, you got 3 seconds to subscribe. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you better have subscribed because it's going to be fun. So the first up is donuts.
Okay, your first donut.
Donut. Whoa.
So
In front of you.
it's right here in front of you. Go ahead and pick it up. Take a big bite.
Now that's wow.
The Wow donut.
I think it's a wow donut. Okay,
Donut too.
so it is right there in front of you.
Ugh. Okay. Taking a napkin.
Yeah, I can get you a napkin. But first, go ahead and tell us where you think it's from. I can.
I think it's crust.
Okay.
Cause
Now that you've done 2 donuts, where do you rank them?
Was wow better than crest or crest better than wow?
I guess crust better than wow.
Really?
Oh,
Cause it has a better taste.
Even though it was goopy?
Yeah, the goop had a good taste, I guess.
All right, so donut number 3 coming.
Little dance between it.
So donut number 3. So here it comes.
Oh my god. That's a Krispy Kreme.
Okay. And you put it, where do you put it in ranking? Did you like it more than the crust? More than everything?
Good.
So number 1.
Number 1 for Krispy Kreme. Okay.
Then you guessing stuff.
Okay. Here comes the 4th donut.
Donut
So
4.
open up wide.
Oh my god. That's the last one?
That's the last one.
The last one was Dunkin' Donuts.
Dunkin', and where do you put it?
Last.
Oh, very last? You didn't like it as much, huh?
Or Dunkin' Donuts, but ugh.
Okay, go ahead and take off your mask.
You know, that's a Dunkin'.
And so, as you can see, you put Dunkin' very last, Krispy Kreme at number 1. And so now we're going to see if you were correct. The Dunkin' Donut is Dunkin' Donuts. The Wow Donut is Wow. And the crest is Crest. And of course, Krispy Kreme comes in number 1. And it's Krispy Kreme.
I think it's safe to say he knows his donuts.
He knows his donuts.
I'm a donut.
100%. So
Or
good
was he
job.
cheating?
Eat donuts for eating donuts.
Thanks for joining me. Next round is gonna be chicken and fries. I'm back, guys, and now it's time for chicken fries. You can see in the background all the yummy chicken and fries.
So, chicken number 1.
Oh, sorry.
You might have to lift it up and feed it to him. I don't know.
I got it. I don't need my helmet. Gosh, savor it. Canes.
This is Kane's chicken and so we're gonna put it over here
Let's put that with that.
with a Kane's. Okay. Chicken number 2.
Okay, Mama.
Well, he should have fed that one to you. This may be a giveaway.
McDonald's.
Is it better than Kane's?
It's actually on the same level.
Okay, well,
That was really good.
so
Okay.
McDonald's. Okay, next.
Look at
chicken.
these.
Okay,
Wait, I gotta
can
take a
you
drink.
hand him a piece of this one? Thank you. Oh, just gotta cleanse the palate.
Where's the palette?
No, I didn't say feed him. I said hand it to him. Okay.
Ooh. Whataburger. Just have this one.
Okay, so he says Whataburger on this one. Here, you can have it. Is this your favorite so far?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Just scoot these down. Put Whataburger as 1.
Next one. How many are there? There's 4.
4. So it's the last one.
What's the last one?
Well, your choices are Cane's, McDonald's, Whataburger, and Brahms.
What's the last, like, picture thing?
Brahms. You didn't say Brahms.
Okay, this is Brahms.
Okay. So he says this one is
it
Brahms.
is it better than
Yeah, is it better than Whataburger or this?
It's the same as McDonald's and King.
Okay, so just put it right here for now. Okay. You can take your blindfold off, my son.
Okay.
How do you think you did?
Pretty good.
You think you did pretty good, huh? Well, I don't know. Let's see. So you've got Whataburger as number 1.
Ooh, Brahms. I guess.
Cane's, McDonald's, and Brahms tying a second. So this is the one you said was McDonald's. Let's see. It is in fact McDonald's. You got that one right.
That one actually was pretty good.
And we need to say
This one you said was Brahms.
Whataburger.
It is Whataburger. So you got that one wrong. It's
So
actually Whataburger.
does he not know his chicken?
You said this one was
No.
Cane's.
Well,
So he's 50-50. He got 2 right and 2 wrong. We'll see how he does on the fries. 1.
now it's time for the best part you've ever seen. Them potato, deep fried, yummy goodness, aka fries.
Fry number 1.
Where is it?
He's gonna hand it to you. Fries you may need to actually feed to him
No,
because there's different shapes.
No, I'm going to give them to.
Whataburger is the same as McDonald's. They look the same.
Yeah, and then the
Okay.
other 2.
This is gonna be Whataburger.
Whataburger. Here.
Ooh, can I get a
Let's get fry number 2. Give me a minute, sis. Stop, please. You're shaking.
Brahms.
Brahms. Okay. Was that better? Is that better or is it? Did you like that one better than the first one or not?
I liked it less.
Okay. So here's the next one. He says this one is McDonald's.
Oh no! I'm glad I had you.
Okay, and last but not least, he doesn't know it's there, babe. You gotta hand it to him.
What happened to the fry?
Cane's?
Correct!
Okay. Okay. Okay, so was the one that you said was McDonald's, was it better than your number 1 or was it the same as your...
It's the same as Brahms.
Okay, and what about the last one you just had? Where would you...
Worst. I'm sorry to Cane's.
Okay.
Baby,
Okay,
it's
evidently somebody knows their fries. This is the one he put in last place. He said it was Cane's, and it is in fact Cane's. Next, he had McDonald's, and it is in fact McDonald's.
Yeah, what's wrong with the Cane's?
Next, he had Brahms. And as you can see by the thing, it is Brahms.
Yeah.
And in first place, he had Whataburger, and he was correct. It is, in fact, Whataburger. Okay, good job on your one.
Next up is going to be different flavors of goldfish. Hey everybody, I'm back, and now we're gonna do the challenge of guessing different flavors of goldfish, like cheddar, parmesan, pizza, pretzel, all these things. So get ready.
Okay. First deal, just pick it up and put it in your mouth.
That's cheddar.
Okay, you're going with cheddar for number 1. Cheddar. Okay, plate number 2.
Parmesan.
Okay, he's going with Parmesan for plate number 2. Okay. Assistant, where's plate number 3? Was Parmesan better than cheddar?
Yeah, better.
Okay, he thinks Parmesan was better than cheddar.
These are pretzels. Yeah, they are
Was it pretzels better than cheddar?
better.
Are the pretzels better than the Parmesan?
Better.
Whoa, okay. Last plate.
Wait, I didn't get that much. Give me another.
Here's another bite.
Got. Swallow. That could be pizza.
Okay, he's going with pizza for his last one. Now, was pizza better than cheddar?
Yeah.
Stop.
Sorry, I had my eyes closed.
Was pizza better than Parmesan?
No.
Okay, so we're going to keep it right here. Okay,
Yeah, I know.
are you ready to take your mask off?
Yes.
Okay, so in last place, you put as cheddar. And this one was actually
Pizza.
pizza.
One behind.
So it was actually pizza. So next place, you put
Parmesan.
Parmesan.
That means this one is cheddar.
Cheddar.
Which tastes just like the noodles.
The only one that you got right
It's
was
the
pretzel.
delicious
And that was because
pretzel.
it felt different.
And it looks like a goldfish, but it's actually just a pretzel.
Oh yeah.
And if you like this round, comment down below. And the next round is gonna be delicious, yummy hot dogs. So stay tuned. Bye. Today, this is the second to last challenge. Hot dog challenge with Sonic versus Freddy's. Fazbear's. Just joking.
Hot dog one.
Freddy's.
You think that one's Freddy's? Okay. Hot dog 2.
Go.
Hold on. Are you changing your mind?
No,
Oh, stop. Bring
there's a burnt part.
Ryder, please bring that back. Thank you.
What? What is that? Oh, there. I think it should be Sonic.
You think it's Sonic? Okay, which one's better, Sonic or Freddy's?
Sonic.
Okay, so Sonic is the number 1 choice. Okay, unmask yourself. Do you think you're still confident in your choices?
Yeah.
Okay, So at number 1, you have Sonic. It is Sonic. Number 2, you have Freddy's, and it is Freddy's.
Fries Bears.
So you know your fries and your hot dogs, evidently.
I'm just going. And our last challenge is birthday cupcake coming up soon. Bye. Final round, peoples. Get ready.
It's cupcakes, right?
It's cupcakes. I'm so excited.
Cupcake. Show how beautiful it is before I cut into it.
Is it chocolate?
His choices.
All of these.
His choices are Buttersweet, Pinkitzel, Gigi's Cupcakes, and Walmart.
Do we know somebody
Yes.
that's named Gigi?
Hold on.
Oh, we used to. Until.
Okay.
Here goes your first bite. You're going to have to open up wide. Here we go.
I really want a taste of it. How it be, guys? Ooh.
No.
Hmm.
Don't touch. What do you think it is? Pinkzel, Walmart, Buttersweet,
That's a
or
Walmart.
Gigi's?
He thinks it's Walmart.
It's a Walmart, is what he says. Okay. Now, cupcake number 2.
I don't know my cupcakes that well.
Cupcake is a cupcake, huh? They're all good.
They're all good. If they're chocolate.
I would agree. Here comes the next one.
Here comes cupcake number 2.
Okay. I'm the macaron.
Okay. I'm going to try to get a equal amount of chocolate on all of these that I give you.
Is there like a different topping on top?
They're all chocolate icing.
Chocolate icing. Okay, here it comes.
No! It's supposed to be on a saw.
Hi, buddy. We see
Pink
you.
tinsel? Or what?
Pinkitzel. He thinks that one is Pinkitzel.
Okay.
It's
Would you say it's better or worse than the first one?
worse.
Worse? Really? Okay. Okay, Dad.
Okay,
Go
here. Cupcake number 3.
Alright, I'm ready.
Okay. Right. Here it comes. Open up wide.
What do you pink, guys? What you pink, guys?
Yeah, what do you pink?
Your choices left are Buttersweet or Gigi's.
Buttersweet.
You think it's
He's
butter?
going with Buttersweet.
Now, where would you put this one?
Better than pink tinsel.
Pink tinsel, huh? Pink
But do
tinsel.
you think it's better than what you said was Walmart?
No.
Okay.
Walmart's the best.
Okay. Okay. Cupcake number 4.
Give me the good stuff. Give me a lot
he
of the
will.
icing.
He will.
And a lot of the toppings. And a lot of the chocolate cake part of it. And all.
Oh, we were just going to give you the plate.
Oh, okay.
Won't that be tasty?
Okay, here we go. Open up wide.
I
my choice?
Your last choice is Gigi's.
So you can
Or
always
you could
switch.
This is actually bittersweet.
You think this one is
better.
buttersweet. So would you say that buttersweet was the one that you had? It was buttersweet would be Gigi's?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And where would you sit buttersweet?
Better than all of them.
Better than all of them.
Buttersweet is the favorite.
All right, we're gonna lock in the votes. So you
3.
let's see.
It's reveal time, baby.
Okay. Are we gonna start with his first or his last?
Well, we are gonna just show the first, the last, and then go that
Okay.
way.
He had Buttersweet, Walmart, Gigi's, and Pink Itzel.
All right, so you put Pink Ixel at the very last. Let's see if you are right. You are right.
He got it right.
And then you had Gigi's, and that is actually Walmart. So you actually had Walmart in front of Pink Itzel. So you thought that this was Walmart, and it's actually Gigi's. So that means you were right with Buttersweet that you put as the first. And
So he got two out of 4
Look it up
right.
there. Yes.
Okay, Gage. Good job.
And if you like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe, ring that little bell, and don't forget to like the video. And you should all go after this, go watch our new movie called Prison Story. It's a really good one. We'll have more posts on my channel. Thank you. Bye.